Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create this beautiful handcrafted circular mountain wall art using MDF, gypsum, and simple materials that anyone can find easily. This project is perfect for home decor, wall art, or even for selling as a handmade craft. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or machines. Just patience, creativity, and passion. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a look at the materials we will need for this project. 2 circular MDF boards, 1 rectangular MDF board, 30 centimeters times 40 centimeters, a hand jigsaw, a gypsum powder, water, glue, wood glue or strong adhesive, a wire for tree trunks, a fiber or sponge material for leaves, a green and black spray paint, drill, pliers, sandpaper. Once you have all the materials ready, we can move to the first step. We start by preparing the circular frame. Take 2 circular MDF pieces. The outer circle will be our main frame, and it should have a 5 centimeters width. Next, take one of the circular MDF boards and cut it in half using a hand jigsaw. This half circle will later act as the base where the mountain will sit. Now, carefully glue this half circle to the bottom inner side of the full circular MDF frame. Make sure it is aligned properly and press firmly. Let the glue dry completely before moving to the next step. This structure will support the mountain and give the artwork its depth. Now we move on to shaping the mountains. Take your 30 centimeters times 40 centimeters MDF board and sketch a mountain shape using a pencil. You can draw multiple peaks for a more natural look. Once you are happy with the sketch, carefully cut the shape using a jigsaw. After cutting, test fit the mountain inside the circular frame to ensure it fits perfectly. When everything looks good, glue the mountain piece onto the half-circle base inside the frame. Allow it to dry fully before continuing. Now let's create the trees. Take a piece of wire about 10 centimeters long. Fold it in half and twist it slightly to form the trunk and branches. Next, take fiber material and insert it into the folded wire. Use pliers to twist and secure it tightly. To give the trees a natural look, spray them lightly with green paint and allow them to dry. Now comes the most artistic part, creating the mountain texture. Mix gypsum powder with water until you get a smooth, thick paste. Using a scraper or palette knife, apply the gypsum over the mountain surface. Work slowly and create layers, ridges, and textures to give it a realistic rocky appearance. Don't worry about perfection. Natural mountains are never perfect. Once the texture is done, let it dry partially. After drying, lightly spray green paint on certain areas to give a natural mossy effect. Then add a small amount of black powder or black paint to create depth and shadow. This step brings the entire artwork to life. Once everything is completely dry, inspect your artwork. You can adjust the colors, add more texture, or enhance highlights if needed. Make sure all elements are firmly attached. Now let's move on to the second part of our project. We will take another rectangular MDF board and sketch a second mountain shape. This will allow us to create a beautiful two-layer mountain design. Once the sketch is ready, carefully cut the mountain shape and place it on the circular base to check the fit. Make sure to leave at least 2 centimeters of space on both the left and right sides. This gap is important because it will help us attach the mountain securely to the circular frame using glue. After confirming the fit, we'll apply gypsum to build texture and shape the mountain surface. Once the gypsum is partially dry, we lightly spray green paint to add natural depth. Then, we add a touch of black powder or paint to enhance the shadows and give the mountain a more realistic look. Finally, once everything is ready, we attach the mountain to the back of the circle. And just like that, our artwork now features 2 beautifully layered mountain forms, creating depth and a powerful visual effect. Clean the edges of the circular frame and apply a final coat of paint if desired. Your handmade gypsum mountain wall art is now complete. And that's it, friends. This is how you can create a beautiful handmade circular mountain wall art using simple materials like MDF, gypsum, and wire. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorials. If you have any questions or want to learn more techniques, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and keep creating.